Hey guys, welcome. It's me, Don B. I'm not do that. So guys, I will be doing a impersonation of our Jamaican YouTubers. I recognize the persons like the behind the scenes video with Rosie and the TikTok, and I've been getting a lot of love and I appreciate that and I thank you for the love. So I'll be doing another impersonation and another behind the scenes. So the YouTubers that I have now, like on my list, are like persons who are in my subscriptions, small YouTubers and also the big top shell of them. And so alright, so this is a part one. So in the next one you can even recommend other YouTubers to me. For part one I have Quiteperry, jnelcomedy, wayshaeofficial, kimslife. So those persons are in my subscriptions right now. May have some more, but as I say, a part one. So just come and join with me. It's gonna be 2 videos. So this one I see me right now is the behind the scenes when me match up the words them and the lines them also, and then next video when I go see me like the actual shooting and the actual thing. Yeah. So I have my scripts right now because you know you have to have a script, you have to have something I work by. Write them down, so I'm gonna run it through and I'm gonna see how them thing and all them use up your hands, because you know each YouTubers have them own body language, body gestures, facial expression also. So I am going to get on with it. So now watch and thing. Don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe. If you like it, just like it, and if you think you want to share people who may impersonate, go right ahead. I have no problem. Let's enjoy this video together. Alright, ready? I'm just a go so let's go. Alright, so the first one I'm gonna do Janelle the family currently. So watch it out. Yeah.
Welcome peeps, you don't know your boy Janelle and welcome to our next episode of the questions, and this is episode 10 peeps. And what you know, right now we're there in a Maypen town, as you can see. Yeah. All who know Maypen, as you can see. Yeah. So what you know peeps, without further ado, we'll kick it off right now. How's it with it? Maypen, we're there Maypen. So what you know peeps, we're gone.
Alright. Again. So what me do, me keep on playing it till me catch it. So that's one.
I don't want to cook my cushions, eh? I want to hook me up. Welcome peeps, you don't know your boy Janelle.
Like him go fight the ear. One peeps. Weird.
Welcome peeps, you don't know your boy Janelle and welcome to our next episode of the questions, and this is episode 10 peeps. And what you know, right now we're there in a Maypen town, as you can see. Yeah. All who know Maypen, as you can see. Yeah. So what you know peeps, without further ado, we'll kick it off right now. How's it with it? Maypen, we're there Maypen. So what you know peeps, we're gone.
That last part there. Which part with it? What you say? So which part with it? Maypen. Oh, which part with it? Maypen with it, Maypen. So watch out, peeps. We're gone.
And welcome to our next episode of the questions, and this is episode 10 peeps. And what you know, right now we're there in a Maypen town, as you can see. Yeah. All who know Maypen, as you can see. Yeah. So what you know peeps, without further ado, we'll kick it off right now. How's it with it? Maypen, we're there Maypen. So what you know peeps, we're gone.
Alright, ready? Who else like Janelle's editing? Like the song they went put in there, or the music instrumental, you have to vibe.
Welcome to our next episode
of the questions, and
this is episode 10 peeps. And what you know, right now we're there in a Maypen town, as you can see. Yeah. All who know Maypen, as you can see. Yeah. So what you know peeps, without further ado, we'll kick it.
I recognize him love say, so watch you know peeps. So the first part him say, and this episode 10 peeps, and watch you know at a one. Right now we are going in a my pen. As you can see, yeah, for all who know my pen, and as you can see, yeah. Then how much time is it, so as you can see, yeah, for all who know my pen, as you can see, yeah. So watch it now. Again, peeps, without further ado, we are kick it off now. I wish probably there. My pen, but then my pen. So watch it now, peeps. So 3 times now him say watch it now, peeps. Run it again. Wagwan peeps, you don't know it's a boy. Wagwan peeps, you don't know it's a boy Janelle, and welcome to the next episode of the questions. And this episode 10, peeps. And watch it now right now with the inner me pen tone, as you can see. Yeah. For all who know me pen, as you can see. Yeah. Bombard is already. As you can see, yeah. Alright, as you can see, yeah. For all who know me pen, as you can see. So watch out, peeps, without further ado, we are kick it off now. I was probably there. Me pen, we then me pen. So watch out, peeps. Oh God. I run it out again. So I recognize say Janelle always I use up him hand and him head and him neck like him I go fight. Ready?
Me pen with you.
Alright.
I don't want to cook me cushion. I want to hook me up. Welcome, peeps. I don't know your boy Janelle, and welcome to our next episode of the questions. And this is episode 10, peeps. And watch out now. Right now we're there in a May pen town, as you can see. Yeah. All who know May pen, as you can see. Yeah. So without further ado, we are kicking it off right now. How's it with it? May pen, we're there May pen. So watch out, peeps. We're gone.
I get it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do the behind the scenes for everything, and then wanna see when I actually get everything. I might not have the clothes and the jewelry and the things and what the people have, of course. Your girl. So as I said before in the previous behind the scenes, I try to match clothes to the people them. So bear with me if you realize it, but him have on white and she have on black, and so yeah, we're gonna move on to quiteperry. So
hey guys, so welcome back to another
wait now, yeah, be so strong. Alright, quiteperry.
video.
Come again.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this week's video, of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%. And to everybody who want to message me and DM down my phone and email me, I see you, I hear you, and hopefully one of these days I will.
Okay, so me stop it at okay. So I'm gonna try it now without him repeat saying it in the background. Maybe without my hands to come in and get the hands just as yet. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this video, of course, I see the support that you are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%. And for everybody who message me and DM me, palm my phone and email me, I see you, I hear you, and hopefully one of these days I'll get to you. Okay. So we are gonna play it again and say it without the gestures.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this
it's okay
video,
to time.
Of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%. And for everybody who want to message me and DM down my phone and email me, I see you, I hear you, and hopefully one of these days I will get to you. Okay, so as usual,
why me I say get back and not back on the pan when me right? One more time, right? One more time.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this week's video, of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers. And I love
So me I recognize the meaning of some of the things then when me I hear myself currently. So I'm gonna no pen of them near me. I forget though. Must soon come back.
YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%. And for everybody who want to message me,
realize him always a smile. I feel always a smile too.
I see you, I hear you.
Him just true. Alright, Papa. Well, I'm Mama.
Video, of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%. And for everybody who want to message me and DM down my phone and email me, I see.
I know me, you know. Him sound like him said BMW. Listen. Me have, and for everybody who want to message me and DM me on my phone, hear what you say. I not hear it.
And I love to see it 100%. And for everybody who want to message me and DM down my phone, email me, I see you, I hear you.
Me change it to O.
These I will get to you. Okay, so as usual, this week.
Alright, so may I run it again?
So another video.
Okay, so before I get into this video, this week's video.
I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%. And for everybody who want to message me and DM down my phone and email me, I see you, I hear you, and hopefully one of these days I will get to you. Okay,
we have Island, but I will.
We're supporting
Island, I will different. You don't know. It's the same thing, but it's different. So let's run it again. Try with the gestures. So. I get that something. That's that. If you don't realize me always I said that. I'm sorry. Me get it from. It's when you always watch somebody's or your favorite YouTubers or whatever. It's like you start get them talking. So that also there, I get it from Abby and Capo.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this week's video, of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%.
Alright guys, so different location, different dressing, as you can see. The battery did dead. And what we did have to do, you have to charge it, and it never take long, like it take 2 hours or 1 hour, and we use the time to create TikTok videos, of course. So me must make about 3, though my mama go come me hungry and me eat. Yeah, we make about 3 videos. So by the time the video upload, them already up. So we're gonna continue. Where were we? We were dealing with what? Quiteperry. We did deal with Quiteperry. So yeah, we're gonna run over Quiteperry and team. Alright, ready?
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this week's video, of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%. And for everybody who want to message me and DM down the phone and
oh guys,
I see.
Remember the previously me did I say DM BMW or whatever. Actually here when me that's know. It was DM down my phone. You know something, this is bad manners. If you're eating, I talk to you, though. No. Make it stop. Make it stop. Make it stop. Me have manners there. So yeah. So it's DM down my phone. Let's go again. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this week's video, of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it 100%.
Oh, I'm not gonna say, I'm gonna
say. Want to message me and DM on the phone and email me.
Perry, what is?
I see
you and hear you, and hopefully one of those days I'll get to you.
Okay.
Already again. Me if we continue with the rest of people them. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so we're getting this week's video. Of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers. I love it, please. 100%. And for everybody who want to message me and a DM down my phone and a email me, I see you, I hear you, and hopefully one of these days I'll get to you. Okay. We're gonna move on to Kim's life. As I say, behind the scenes,
If you're new to my channel, my name is Kim.
Alright, so this is Kim's life. Big up Kim's life. Like, me like her energy. She's very fun. Like, the most part of her videos are the intro. I may even comment on the one of her videos say no, I have to do an impersonation of her videos because it just have that little vibe there before the video starts. And then she just her voice and then okay my babies. So yeah, Kimmy, big up yourself and thing. Kim Nation, comment down below, Kim Nation, if you're a real Kim Nation gang also. Alright, so yes my babies, so before me do her gestures and her, you know, them things, mannerism and them nice some of the characteristics of him, I'm gonna try get her words first. So
If you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like,
oh, she takes along with the dog. Like,
post notification bells, and subscribe. Like, and please turn on that post notification bells
to see more from me.
But
Yes, my babies. This week's shout out goes to.
If you watch my next video, please do comment down below. Hashtag KimNation to be right up here. Or here.
She go poo.
To my channel, my name is
Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Like,
Duh.
and please turn on that post notification bell to
See more from
me. But
yes, my baby.
yes, babies.
This week
shout out goes to.
if you want to shout out my video, please go. You know, so she not say if you want shout out, she said if you want to shout out my next videos, please comment down below hashtag KimNation to be here or here or here. Alright, let's try it without her voice. But my babies, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, duh. And please turn on post notification bell to see more from me. But yes, my babies, this week's shout out goes to. If you want a shout out in my next video, please comment down below hashtag KimNation to be right up here or here or here. But my babies, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Did I go say Kim Nation? Come again. But my babies, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, duh. And please turn on post notification bell to see more from me. Yeah, it's like she have this. You realize it not, it never get low. It just high and it's like a melody. Already. But my babies, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, duh. And please turn on post notifications to see more from me. But yes, my babies, this week's shout out goes to. If you want to shout out for my next videos, please comment down below hashtag KimNation to be right up here or here or Alright, so I'm gonna see how I try to use up the hands, but I don't know if it's if it's correct. So let me watch it again and see how she did. I know for sure she smiles right throughout the video. Girl have a buzz.
Hey babies, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, duh. And please turn on that post notification bell to see more from me. But yes, babies, this week's shout out goes to. If you want to share my next video, please do comment down below. Hashtag KimNation to be right up here. Or here. Or here.
Alright, so but what me get it correct. So the next one is wayshaeofficial. I don't know the thing, don't know the chef. Alright, let me say this. I appreciate, I'm an adult, right? And it's like sometimes I don't watch small YouTubers and like teenagers and stuff. It's like the way how I watch them so much is like I'm a part of them and it make me feel like I want to compete too. But whatever. And like me appreciate sometimes when Wayshae says like adult them from a video and like the respect when him have, you know, him not go down to certain level when him ready. Like he remembers that, you know, adults are on his channel and yeah, some respect that for you, Wayshae. And him come like one brother to me. Like me not know him like that, but because me watch him video them like that and me comment and him and him mother like something what I do every day. Me don't matter, me perform mother every day. So we have that similarity there. Wayshae big up yourself. And so we are gonna do Wayshae impersonation. Alright. Him go something like him have the camera and him go. Wait. Yeah, him go.
Alright, what's the feature? Don't know what we can do.
Him chill. They recognize that in the previous ones, everybody like them up here. What's up going on, guys? It's the boy Janelle. Hey guys, welcome to, you know them have a, but Wayshae chill. Him chill. So ready, but even though I'm chill, him have a vibe. Ready. What happened? Turn off something.
Alright,
What's up, guys? Alright, so follow Instagram at Wayshae. This week's shout out goes to these channels and accounts. Alright, as I said, him chill. So alright, what's up people? I don't know, it's a boy Wayshae today. We're back with another prank. So follow my Instagram at Wayshae. It's switched out how it goes to these channels and accounts. Yeah. One can just upload, comment 5 times or 10 times. And send me her to send to me on Instagram or WhatsApp. Watch out now. I'm tired of never use my sucker host. Parents room. Sugar! Alright. I'm gonna get it fully yet. at the same chill, even have much movement, so it's gonna be easier for me when I go do the shoot. So alright guys, I must apologize for the sound in the background in the I did write it to tell you, but I literally feel away now that me I hear it when editing. But I just want myself like what is it? It just big and song. And you know it depends on low and it's still loud. Anyways, I'm turn it off. So I think this is the end of my behind the scenes. The next video you're gonna see the actual impersonation videos. So tune in for that one, and thing, as I say, share to your fellow subscribers and your friends for them to see my impersonation of them. And for the next round or the next part 2, for part 2, comment who you would like for me to impersonate next and thing. Anyways, I do hope you enjoyed the video nonetheless. As I said, please share, comment and subscribe, like, and be a part of the Don't Be gang. Yeah, me have something to call you know. Me not like, me never want to use gang, but Don't Be gang. It's the girl Don't Be buzzing out.